abangan ini tidak mam seperti datang seperti datang cafe and
plastic shards from the windshield toward his eyes. Now, how possible the surgeon noticed something strange to see into the swell as it replied to the objects. But plastic pieces don't activate as the immune system. Stay in his body for a long time without any harm. Put this kind of plastic in someone's eyes, you replace their damaged glands. And we invented the first permanent contacts. Now millions of people can see again. Okay. This girl was trapped inside a coffin for 7 years, but the way that she escaped was absolutely genius. So back in 1977, this 21-year-old girl named Colleen Stan was hitchhiking to a friend's birthday party. This boy wanted to become Iron Man so badly that he ate 20 pounds of monkey in high school every single day. But Spider-Man was but he didn't. He knew exactly why Spider-Man got his powers. The Spider-Man instantly popped in.
no.